So as you all know, the Black Friday sales are going on. So we are getting discounts, massive discounts in Hostinger. So additionally to it, I'm gonna tell you how you can get 20% more discount through coupon code and a free domain, absolutely free of cost. Now in many videos they will simply fool you. They will tell you 85% off, 73% off. These are just false claims. They will show you this thing, but 20% is the highest discount. So for this, what you have to do is, in the description I have given a link. Simply click on the link. Now here select your country. Now the plan that you need, don't go with the premium plan, it's absolutely waste of money. So if you are a beginner, new, then you can go with the business plan. And if you are a professional, if you have a e-commerce website, if you are building software products, and if you have a lot of site visitors, then go with the startup cloud plan. I'm going with this. The offers are valid for all these three plans. Now as you can see, we are getting a free domain and 20% off as I have promised to you, plus 2 months of extra hosting. Now search your domain that you need, click on this. Now 1 year. Okay, now you see this, it's free, totally free, not even a single rupee. Now 48 months plan is good, but if budget is low, then you can go with the 12 months plan also. Now you see this, in just $36 we are getting this offer. It's absolutely cheap price. So don't miss this Black Friday sale, or you can miss this offer. It's absolutely cheap, it's very cheap. Now if your budget is high, then go with the 48 months plan. Don't think about anything. If you compare the monthly prices, then you will see in the 48 months plan you have a lot of benefit. In cheap price you are getting 48 months plus 2 months of extra hosting also, that means 50 months in just $100. But if budget is low, then go with the 12-month plan. Now here I want to tell you the condition. So the condition is, you have to be a new user. If you are not a new user, you can't avail this offer. However, there is a trick. What you can do, in the description I have given a link. Simply copy that link and go with any other Google account and paste that link in the search bar and choose your plan and go for the payment. Now there you will see this same offer. It's because now Hostinger will consider you as a new user, and now you can also avail this offer. So this is the secret trick. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If this is, then you can give this video a like and do subscribe this channel. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.